In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select all files and folders in Google Drive on a computer for bulk actions. Whether you're organizing, cleaning up, or sharing a large set of items, this simple technique will save you time and clicks. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to drive.google.com. If you aren't already signed in, you'll be prompted to log into your Google account. Make sure you're using the account that holds the files you want to manage. Once you're in, you'll see My Drive and your folders on the left, along with your files and folders in the main area. Navigate into My Drive or open the specific folder where you want to select items. The key thing to remember is that the selection happens only in the current view. So if you're inside a particular folder, you'll be selecting the items shown there, not items located elsewhere in your drive. You can switch between List View and Grid View if you like. The selection method works the same either way. Next, click any one file or folder to highlight it. This tells Google Drive which panel you're working in and prepares it for the bulk selection. With that item highlighted, press Ctrl+A on Windows or Command+A on a Mac. Instantly, every file and folder you can see in that view becomes selected. This does not automatically select the contents inside subfolders. You're selecting the items at the level you're currently viewing. If you prefer not to use keyboard shortcuts, look for the Select All checkbox at the top left corner of the file list, near the column headers. When it's visible, clicking that checkbox selects everything in the current view, just like the shortcut does. After selection, you'll notice a count of how many items are selected and a toolbar at the top of the page. From here, you can perform bulk actions. Move the selected items to reorganize your drive. Delete them to send them to the trash if you're cleaning up. Download them to save local copies. Google Drive may bundle multiple items into a single zip file or share them to grant access to others. Keep in mind that sharing applies to all selected items at once, so review permissions before confirming. That's how you select all files and folders in Google Drive for bulk actions. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.